You're about to watch the DETMURDS channel. Enjoy.
DETMURDS here, folks. This is just a little heads up on things to come here on the DETMURDS channel. I'm going to do a little frozen food review of a pizza nature, and I'm also going to probably have a burger review from a local diner. I'm going to talk about a channel that I really like here on YouTube, and the Feasto barbecue grill. I'm going to do a mod or two. So I hope you all stay with me to see all that. And for any of you that are wondering what that piece of paper is, I'll show you. Alright, it's not that important. It's just our recycling schedule. That's it. Here on the DETMURDS channel.